Josh Allen and Tua were animals, what would they be?
First of all, humans are animals, so let's start there.
Josh Allen would be a tiger.
I don't like creativity.
Josh Allen would be a buffalo.
I really don't like cleverness.
I'll be back with an answer on Tua.
A buffalo and a dolphin.
And Tua, a cub. Cubs are talented.
Their Cubs are talented? What does that even mean?
Tua's talented. That's why I said cub.
Okay. My answer on Tua is an iguana. Because anyone that's ever been in Florida knows if all of a sudden, sometimes it gets cold all of a sudden out of nowhere, iguanas falling from trees. Can't deal with it. They're done. So Josh is buffalo, Tua's an iguana. Best answer you can get.